Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. Myself Kamal Hussain. My ID number is 2510437145. Today I am presenting business statistics, which is BIN 109. My presentation topic: role of statistics in artificial intelligence and big data. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It forms backbone of data understanding across every field of modern knowledge. Data collecting, gathering relevant and reliable information. Data analysis, applying mathematical methods to uncover patterns. Interpretation, drawing meaningful conclusion from result. Presenting, communicating, finding clearly and effectively. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines, enabling them to learn, reason, and solve problems. Rotate and statistic method and data-driven method. All systems are designed to perform tasks that typically require human cognition, from recognition speech to making decisions and predicting outcomes. What is big data? Extremely large and complex data sets that exceed the processing capability. The traditional system's big data is characterized by 5 Ps, the fundamental dimensions that define its scope and challenge. Role of statistics in AI and big data. Statistics forms the backbone of artificial intelligence and big data. It provides the mathematical and analytical foundation that transform raw data into meaningful insights, enabling machines to learn, predict, and make intelligent decisions with confidence and accuracy. Real-life application: fraud detection, finance and banking. Statistics models analyzing transaction patterns and detect anomalies in real time, reducing financial fraud and protecting consumers through machine learning algorithms. Statistical techniques in AI, big data. Key statistical methods from the analytical foundation of artificial intelligence and big data systems, enabling machines to learn, predict, and make informed decisions from complex database. Benefits of statistics in AI and big data: better decision making. Statistics empower data-driven insight, enabling organizations to make smarter, more informed decisions by analyzing patterns and trends. Business reduce crosswork and act with confidence and reliable evidence. Accurate predictions. Statistical methods from backbone of AI systems enable accurate processing and predicting analytics. From demand, pricing, and risk assessment, precise predictions driven competitive advantage and operational excellence. Efficient analysis. A statistical method streamline processing of massive datasets, reducing complexity. Challenges and limitations. While statistics is fundamental to AI and big data, its application comes with significant challenges. Addressing these limitations is crucial to building reliable, fair, and effective data-driven systems. Future scope. The convergence of statistics, AI, and big data is unlocking transformative opportunities across industries. Emerging trends point to smarter analysis, more precise predictive systems, and data-driven automation, reshaping how organizations operate and innovate in an increasingly connected world. Statistics is the foundation of AI and big data. AI uses statistical methods to learn from data and make predictions. Big data relies on statistics to extract valuable insight. Statistics is the bridge that connect data with intelligence. Thank you everyone.